Right, you shower of Polish scum! Pay attention!
Dzielni, przystojni lotnicy z Polski. Witamy, praw.
Poland! France! You lost, goddamn!
Now it's my duty to teach you your asses from your elbows.
Jak widzicie, dużo krzyczę. To sprawia, że nie mam powodzenia u kobiet.
Got it?
Polish is very concise language.
We are not bombers, sir. We are fighter pilots. In Poland, we shut down many Germans. These skills, our experience, your RAF needs.
Co jest grane, król? Walczymy z Niemcami, czy się przyglądamy?
Nic nie wie.
Thanks for the invite, boys.
Zaczyna się dziać. Nasz własny dywizjon.
Piloci myśliwców! 303! Scramble!
Anyone else who breaks formation, I'll shoot you down myself!
What's that?
Blenheim's Training Flight School, 303. The Polish.
There's a Polish squadron coming online soon. 303 out of Northolt.
I'm here to serve, sir. Wherever.
We fly in combat many years. Kill German, we know how to fly to play. Yeah, but you lost!
W samolotach nie ma żadnych ludzi, tylko Niemcy. Niemcy, którzy zrobili straszne rzeczy nam wszystkim.
Don't suppose you have girls like me in Poland?
I doubt there's anyone quite like you anywhere.
Every maneuver up there has to be the best, the quickest. That way we win, that way we survive!
It is an honor and a privilege to fly with them.
You're one of us.
Poles will end up winning us this bloody war if we're not careful.